We will demonstrate virtual device closure of a ventricular septal defect. Device closure of ventricular septal defects is challenging due to the proximity of the defect to critical adjacent structures such as the tricuspid valve and the aortic valve. We start with the view from the right ventricle. We identify the tricuspid valve, the right ventricular apex, the right ventricular outflow tract, and the ventricular septal defect. We then walk into the left ventricle and identify the anterior leaflet of the mitral valve, the LVOT, and the ventricular septal defect. Introduction of different size virtual devices into this volume rendered image allows intuitive assessment of fit as well as assessment of the potential for interference with adjacent structures such as the septal and anterior leaflet of the tricuspid valve and the aortic valve. Segmented models can also be created from this image. We identify the leaflets of the tricuspid valve and the ventricular septal defect from a right ventricular view. We then move to the left ventricle and identify the leaflets of the mitral valve, the left ventricular outflow tract and the aortic annulus, and the ventricular septal defect. We then place the same three virtual devices to assess virtual device fit and the potential for interference with adjacent structures. Evolution of this workflow could potentially improve candidate selection as well as the identification of the ideal device for a given patient.